Right. The guys showed up. Get your toy. Alright. So that's what it looks like. Not too bad still. Look like the guys found it. Go, go. I hear them. So let me go up there. My little grabber I'm gonna put on the porch. Go. And let me park the car. I'm gonna park it right here again. I hear the guys. I heard something. Wait, let me listen, guys.
Mom, I want to go this way, Mommy.
Yeah, saw the dirt.
Mom, I want to go this way.
Oh, here they are. I do hear them. They coming from this way. All right, I hear them. All right, let me put this on the porch. I guess the car is mostly cleaned out, and it's can't leave nothing because I really don't want to
This way.
come
This
back
way,
in.
Mom.
Yeah.
Oh,
All right, let me
spider.
just.
Oh, spider, Mommy.
Yep. I'm like, what's that water from? But I wanted to. Let me. All right. Put the keys inside. Angie is doing okay. She's been in there all day. My little grabber put right there. My stick. If I see any coyotes, broom and things. So it's pretty warm in there. Let me see. What else I packed? Unpacked. Oh, I hear them. I keep hearing them. Did they get turned around?
Mom, they got on the horse.
Let's see. Okay, so, I need to leave my gloves and a pair of gloves in the car. So, not trying to. All right, guys. So, that's it for the moving of the stuff. I got it all moved in, I guess in a timely fashion. I got it all moved. And now I'm going to work on the water. So, you want to see that video? Stay tuned. I'll pick you guys up in a moment.